Hey guys, welcome to the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off, shut down, or power off and then restart your Apple Watch Ultra in two different methods. The first method is going to be using the buttons, and the second method is going to be using the actual software of your Apple Watch. So once you have your Apple Watch, the very simple and easiest way to turn it off or power down is going to be holding this button right here by the crown here. You're going to press and hold here. And once you do that, you get a menu like this, and you'll let go of that button. And you can see here, there's the power icon here. You can just press and hold, or click on that, and then just simply slide to power off, and it's going to shut down just like that. You'll give it about 15 to 20 seconds for it to completely shut down. And then to turn it back on, you're going to press and hold, again, this button here until you see the Apple logo reappear. So as you can see here, press and hold, and then the Apple logo reappears. Now the second method, let's say this button doesn't work for you, so how can you turn it on and off? Well, you can actually do it through the software on your Apple Watch. So we'll show you that after it turns on. Again, when it turns on, you see the Apple logo reappear. Give it about a moment or so for it to turn on. So as you can see here, it's almost there. And then we'll show you the second method to do that. Okay, so we're back in. It's going to ask for a passcode here. I'm going to put it in. The second method is going to be, you're going to click on the crown here to get to the app widget. You may have a grid, but basically we're looking for the settings app, and we'll open that up. And then in the settings app, we'll go to general here and scroll all the way down here where it says shutdown. We're going to click on shutdown. Again, this menu pops up. We're going to slide to power off, and it's going to shut down. Now, if the side button doesn't work, you might be wondering, how do I turn it back on? Well, simple. In order to turn it back on, whenever you put it on your charger, it should also turn it on for you if it's completely dead. So you just put it back on the charger, and it will pick up the charge and turn on your Apple Watch. So those are going to be the two different ways that you can shut down, power down, or restart your Apple Watch. So I hope this quick little video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.